Sometimes men think that all women look for in them are money, an athletic body, and supermodel facial features. However, the tiny gestures which guys do all the time are actually charming enough to sweep a woman off her feet too. 1. Driving with an elbow out an open window. Letting the entire lower arm hang out is dangerous and implies a certain sloppy carelessness. Leaning your elbow against the open window and steering the wheel with just one hand, however, exudes control and total ease with just a splash of recklessness. 2. Placing a hand on the small of a woman's back. Body language experts will say that when a man puts his hand on your upper back, it can be a friendly gesture, but a hand on the lower back always implies desire. In addition to being a subtle mark of attraction, it's also quite chivalrous, as you are at once leading her, while also letting her go first. 3. Extending an arm against the back of her chair. This is particularly nice when you're in a restaurant together, or at a family function, as it sends a subtle signal to everyone that she's your girl and you're proud of it. And 4 more ways to comport yourself in a highfalutin establishment. 4. Guys who are cool and quiet. There's a mysterious air around guys who are more quiet/shy than others and don't talk much, as it often makes women gravitate towards them. There's just something enigmatic about these cool men and women want to find out more. 5. When he serves people on the table. The way his hands look when he's dividing a large plate of food for everyone at the table obviously shows he is kind and good at taking care of others. What a thoughtful man. 6. The faraway look in his eyes. There's something attractive about a guy who's looking off into the distance. It's like he's getting ready to take on a big challenge or chase after a fervent dream, or maybe he's just admiring the view. 7. Running your fingers through your hair. In the same thread, one user wrote, run their fingers through their hair, especially when they are doing it subconsciously, like while thinking or after working out, to get the sweat off their forehead. 8. Offering up his seat on the train. This is one of those small gestures that tells a woman you are kind, considerate, and gentlemanly, all of which are sexy qualities. 9. Wrapping your arms around her. By now, you've probably realized that being protective is sexy to a woman on a deep primal level, and nothing makes a woman feel more safe or adored that when a man envelops her with his body, especially when he's standing behind her, like Atlas holding the world in his arms. 10. Cooking skills of man can play good role. I love watching my boyfriend cook, one woman wrote in a Reddit thread. I can stand there and watch him all day long. He's bustling around, chopping veggies and putting dry rub on meats and stirring things around in a pan, all confident and sure-like. He thinks he's just making dinner. It's very charming for women. 11. Being passionate about something. When a guy talks excitedly about anything he cares about, even if it isn't really one of women's interests, it is insanely attractive to any women, because he is goal achiever, have vision in his eyes, and have courage to fulfill his dreams to accomplish the goal. 12. Focusing on a task and hard-working men. Women loves the look a guy has on his face when he is trying to figure something out, which is important to him. It reflects his desire to complete the task. As with cooking, reading, and being passionate about a topic, it's a sign that a man doesn't have the attention span of a 3-year-old, which is hot. Well guys, before you jump on the hate wagon and say it only applies to good-looking men, you actually don't have to look good just to be considered "attractive." Be your best in natural way. Ladies, do you all agree with this list? What else do you think is charming about a man? Share with us in the comment section. We thank you for watching. Please check the description for recommended offers. If you liked the video, please hit like button, share your feedback in comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos every week. Also don't forget to press on bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Please download our app and connect with us on FB and Instagram also.